Hi, my name is Mohammed Sahib. I am currently working as a systems administrator at the Lahore School of Economics. I have over 20 years of experience supporting systems, networks, handheld devices, IP surveillance, and a lot of other stuff. Continued with IT, different IT courses and certifications. I'm a Microsoft certified professional since 2006. My career goals are to further enhance my IT support skills. I hope this gives you a glance on myself. Let me also mention that I'm a big enthusiast for electric vehicles, solar energy, DIYs, and a lot of other stuff. And let me thank you for taking your time and watching this. Thank you.